The AI gold rush is happening right now, and if you're not using it to make money online, you're already behind. People with zero experience are cashing in using AI tools to start side hustles, automate businesses, and even replace their 9-to-5 jobs. Keep watching, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to start making money today, even if you have no skills, no experience, and no idea where to start. And just very quickly, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. It keeps me motivated and energized to keep bringing you more valuable content. Thank you, and let's get into the video. Please take notes. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is AI powered freelancing. Sell services without skills. You can start offering high demand services like copywriting, graphic design, and video editing using AI tools that do the work for you. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork.com are full of people making money this way. You can use ChatGPT and Gemini to write blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content in minutes. Simply just tweak the output slightly and deliver it as a high quality service. You don't need Photoshop skills to create professional logos and designs. AI tools like Canva and Looker generate stunning visuals and graphics instantly for your clients. You can edit videos with AI powered software like InVideo or Descript. These AI tools automate video editing, captions, and even voiceovers. You can generate voiceovers using AI tools like Murph or 11 Labs. These sound like real humans and are perfect for YouTube videos, ads, or audio books. You can use AI to create and sell AI generated art. Platforms like Midjourney and DALL-E help you to design unique artwork to sell as prints or digital downloads. You can also offer AI generated resume writing or LinkedIn profile optimization. People pay big money for polished resumes that help them to land jobs. You can build AI powered chatbots for businesses using no code platforms. Tools like ManyChat or ChatFuel let you create chatbots in minutes. You can use AI to generate and sell stock photos. AI powered tools create high quality images that you can list on stock photo websites for passive income. I would highly recommend that you pick one service and master it. Instead of doing everything, focus on becoming the go-to expert in one profitable niche. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is AI powered blogging. Earn money without writing. You can start a blog and use AI to write articles fast. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Jasper can help you to create high quality content in seconds. You can monetize your blog with ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. AI can even help you find profitable keywords to target. You can use AI to repurpose your blog posts into social media content. This multiplies your reach and attracts more traffic. You can create automated email sequences with AI to grow your audience. AI generated emails can help you to nurture leads and help you to boost sales. You can use AI to generate SEO optimized content. AI tools analyze keywords and competitors to help you rank higher on Google. You can start a niche blog in any industry, even if you're not an expert. AI can research and generate content for you in minutes. You can use AI to write ebooks and sell them on Amazon KDP. AI can also generate and format entire books that you can publish for passive income. You can create an AI-powered newsletter that curates trending topics. Tools like Curata or Feedly can automate content curation for you. You can offer an AI content writing service for businesses. Companies need constant content, and AI makes it very easy for you to deliver. I would highly recommend that you start a blog in a highly profitable and in-demand niche. Focus on finance, health, or technology, as these niches make a lot of money. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is AI-powered YouTube automation. Earn without showing your face. You can start a faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting. AI tools can generate scripts, edit videos, and even create voiceovers. You can use AI script writers like ChatGPT and Gemini to generate viral video ideas. Just tweak the content slightly to make it more unique. You can create videos using AI animation tools like Pictory or Synthesia. These can turn your text into engaging video content automatically. You can use AI generated voiceovers instead of recording your own. AI voiceovers now sound almost identical to real people. You can automate video editing with AI tools like Runway ML and Descript. This saves you hours of work and speeds up the content production process. You can use AI to generate thumbnails that grab instant attention. AI tools can create professional thumbnails that help to increase clicks. You can also repurpose AI generated content for YouTube Shorts. Short videos get millions of views and can drive traffic to your main channel. You can use AI to automate subtitles and translations. This helps to reach a global audience and increase your earnings. You can also monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. AI helps you to scale faster by automating most of this work. I would highly recommend that you choose a highly profitable and in-demand niche. Finance, tech, and self-improvement channels are some good examples of this. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is AI-powered print on demand. Sell unique products without the inventory. You can create AI-generated artwork and sell it on t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble and Teespring handle everything for you. You can use AI to generate viral quotes and trendy designs. AI text generators can help you to come up with slogans that really sell. You can design AI-generated coloring books or journals. These can be sold on Amazon KDP for passive income. You can create AI-generated patterns for fabric and home decor. People buy unique designs for wallpapers, bed sheets, and much more. You can sell AI-generated stickers on Etsy. AI can create fun and unique sticker designs that customers will love. You can automate social media marketing with AI. AI tools can schedule posts, write really good captions, and find trending hashtags within your niche. You can use AI to create product mock-ups instantly. Mock-up generators let you visualize how your designs will look on real products. You can also generate AI-powered brand logos and sell branding kits. Small businesses need professional branding, and AI makes this very easy. You can offer AI-powered design services to other business owners. AI lets you create high-quality designs without any experience. I would highly recommend that you focus on trending designs. Look at what's selling really well on Etsy and Amazon, and then create similar products. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is AI-powered affiliate marketing. Earn commissions on Autopilot. You can use AI to generate high-converting content for affiliate marketing. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can write good SEO blog posts, emails, and scripts that drive sales. You can create an AI-powered niche website that ranks well on Google. AI SEO tools like Surfer SEO help you to find keywords that attract buyers. You can use AI to write persuasive product reviews and comparison articles. These types of posts convert really well and drive affiliate sales. You can automate social media posts to promote your affiliate links. AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai generate engaging posts that bring in traffic. You can create an AI-generated YouTube channel that promotes affiliate products. AI can write scripts, edit videos, and generate voiceovers for you. You can use AI chatbots to answer customer questions and recommend products. This increases conversions and makes you more commission. You can repurpose AI-generated content across multiple platforms. A single AI-written article can be turned into tweets, Instagram posts, and LinkedIn content. You can set up AI-powered email sequences that sell your affiliate products. AI can write personalized emails that nurture leads and boost commissions. You can use AI to analyze the data and find the best performing affiliate products. AI-powered analytics tools show you which products bring in the most profit. I would highly recommend that you focus on high-ticket affiliate programs. Promoting products with big commissions lets you earn more with fewer sales. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is AI-powered online courses. Teach without being an expert. You can create an online course with AI, even if you're not an expert. AI can research, structure, and generate the content for your entire course. You can use AI to script and record high-quality video lessons. AI-powered video tools like Synthesia can generate talking avatars for you. You can let AI create beautiful slide decks and presentations. AI design tools like Canva and Beautiful.ai generate professional looking slides instantly. You can also use AI to generate worksheets, quizzes, and resources for your students. This makes your online course more valuable and helps students learn better. You can set up an AI-powered chatbot to answer student questions. This makes your online course feel interactive and improves customer satisfaction. You can also automate course marketing with AI-driven social media and email campaigns. AI tools can schedule and write content that promotes your course 24/7. You can create multiple versions of your course in different languages. AI translation tools make it easy to sell to a global audience. You can use AI to repurpose course content into ebooks and blog posts. This helps you attract more students through organic search and social media. You can sell your AI-generated course on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad. These online platforms handle the payments and give you access to millions of students. I would highly recommend that you choose a profitable and in-demand niche. Courses on AI, marketing, finance, and health are a good way to make a lot of money. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is AI-powered ebooks and self-publishing. Sell books without writing. You can use AI to write entire ebooks in just a few hours. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Jasper can generate full-length books on virtually any topic. You can publish your AI-generated ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and payments for you. You can also use AI to design professional-looking book covers. Tools like Canva and BookBolt create eye-catching designs that boost sales. You can use AI to generate book descriptions that increase conversions. A compelling description makes people more likely to buy your book. You can create low-content books like journals, planners, and workbooks. AI can help design and format them, and they sell well on Amazon. You can use AI to repurpose your ebook into blog posts, courses, or audiobooks. This multiplies your income from a single piece of content. You can use AI-generated voiceovers to turn your ebook into an audiobook. Platforms like Speechify and 11 Labs can create professional voice narration. You can also create AI-generated children's books with unique illustrations. AI art tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can design colourful book images. You can automate ebook marketing with AI-driven social media ads. AI tools analyze customer data to run highly targeted ad campaigns. I would highly recommend that you choose a profitable niche. Self-help, business, and finance books tend to sell the best online. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is AI-powered digital products. Create and sell without effort. You can create and sell AI-generated digital products on Etsy or Gumroad. AI makes it very easy to design templates, planners, and printables. You can use AI to design and sell social media templates. Canva and Figma templates are in high demand for social media influencers and businesses. You can create AI-generated workbooks and cheat sheets. These can be sold as standalone products or bundled with online courses. You can sell AI-generated prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Jasper. Many people are willing to pay for high-quality, ready-to-use AI prompts. You can use AI to generate and sell stock photos and AI-generated art. Sell them on sites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Creative Fabrica. You can create AI-generated music or sound effects for content creators. Sell royalty-free tracks on platforms like Audio Jungle and Pond5. You can also design AI-powered Notion templates and sell them online. Many people look for productivity templates to organize their work. You can use AI to generate fonts and design elements for graphic designers. Sell them on marketplaces like Creative Market or Envato Elements. You can create AI-generated scripts for YouTube videos, podcasts, or presentations. Content creators are always looking for done-for-you scripts. I would highly recommend that you focus on trending digital products. You can check Etsy, Gumroad and Creative Market to see what's selling best. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is AI-powered dropshipping. Sell products without inventory. You can start an online store and use AI to automate everything. AI can help with product research, store design and even customer service. You can use AI to find trending products with high demand. Tools like Sell the Trend and Niche Scraper analyze market data to show you winning products. You can let AI generate high converting product descriptions for your store. AI copywriting tools create compelling descriptions that increase sales. You can also use AI-powered chatbots to handle customer support. Chatbots like Tidio and ManyChat provide instant answers and improve customer experience. You can automate Facebook and TikTok ads using AI. AI ad tools optimize campaigns to find the best audience and maximize profits. You can use AI-generated videos to promote your products. AI video tools like Pictory and InVideo.ai can turn product images into engaging video ads. You can also use AI to automate your email marketing and recover abandoned shopping carts. AI-driven email sequences can boost sales by reminding customers to complete their purchases. You can generate AI-powered upsell and cross-sell recommendations. AI tools can suggest related products, increasing your average order value. You can use AI-powered design tools to create custom branding for your store. AI can generate logos, product packaging, and even store banners. I would highly recommend that you test products before scaling. You can use AI to analyze customer behavior and focus on the products that sell the best. And there you have it, 9 powerful tips that you can use right away. Now, the next thing to do to take your learning to the next level is click the link in the description box or the comments below to get instant access to free training resources and online courses at my website. These resources are perfect for all skill levels and will guide you step by step to building a successful online business and generate an online income. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps me create more valuable content for you. Please, let's connect on LinkedIn. My link is in the description below the video. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel, and have an amazing day.